Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where we're gonna update the Sanariki Public Market, and it's already finished in front of my store, and they are already finishing, but they didn't yet put some paint, so they were gonna do it maybe later. So let's go guys, and yeah, enjoy my vlog, okay? Yeah, here we go guys. That's in front of my store. They're already finished, and those are my stuff. I have those pillowcases over there. Just delivered that, and then I have some t-shirts, which is those are Bangladesh brand, okay, made in Bangladesh. And then I will gonna show you what they are doing over here. They are making staircases, and then the public market is already fully furnished. Yeah, something like that. Videoan ikaw anong? Itanong ka sa YouTube nong? Oo. Mayroong way dito. Mayroong way dito papasok doon, and then ang ganda, super ganda. Ganda talaga ng public market. Sorry, medyo maingay yung video natin. And well, sa Amerika. Itanon ka daw sa Amerika ka dyan. Oh, hi anay, oh. Hi anay. Oh, palaboton din sa Amerika. Yeah. So, that's Nico. Oh, I didn't yet finish my stuff. I am rolling this cartolina. I have already already rolled, and then I have some stocks over here. It's looking messy. Oh, look at that, you know. Oh, looking very looking messy. I didn't yet bring Marty's stuff over here because it's too dusty here right now. So after they already finish doing the stuff there in the public market, I will gonna bring Marty's stuff here at the market.